How to turn on or turn off keyboard sound touch feedback on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. Next, tap on touch feedback. Then tap on sound. So here, if we switch it off or turn it on. When it is on, you can open up the keyboard. So here I'll open up my note. And when I tap on it, you can hear the tap noise. And if you want to turn off the sound, we go in here and we switch off the sound. So turn off sound feedback when we are using keyboard. So this time, it will not make any more of that click sound. And that's it. Here I will switch it on. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.